Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel, Research AI Tools. Today's video will primarily cover AI Summarizer, a very important and efficient tool that leverages the power of AI to provide summary of your documents that are in PDF or PPT format. Before moving ahead, if you like content related to AI tools and how they can be used to work in an efficient manner, please subscribe to my channel that is Research AI Tools. First, we would be discussing the PDF summarizer. The AI or PDF summarizers are used to automatically condense large volumes of text such as academic papers, reports, and articles into a short-term manageable versions. This could be helpful for students and researchers because it provides you short summary. It allows you to generate mind maps. The mind maps are pictorial representation of long documents, videos, and audio into visual diagrams conversion. Just give it a couple of moments and we will get to that. It allows you to generate smart summary, generate quizzes, and the most intriguing feature of this is the AI chat, which allows you to ask follow-up questions from the agentic AI agents, and they will be giving you accurate and up-to-date answers regarding whatever follow-up queries you have. And then there is a PPT summarizers. The PPT summarizers are also highly beneficial for researchers by dramatically reducing the time spent on reviewing dense presentations and literature. So, for example, if your teacher has given you a very large PPT to have a look and prepare for your quiz, this tool could be very beneficial for you because it will allow you to generate a very short summary of that very dense presentation, and it will allow you to generate mind map, and it will allow you to generate quizzes. So today's video is not only beneficial for the researchers and the students, but it is also beneficial for the faculty members as well, because it allows them to upload the lecture of their choice, and it will give you an automatic quiz with answers for you to conduct in your next class in a very short span of time. So let's get straight to the tool. Now, this is the tool that I was talking about, that is NoteGPT, an excellent tool that provides you lots of options to work with. So you can reach out to this tool using the URL that is notegpt.io. So let's click on the AI Summarizer. And once you click on the AI Summarizer, you can see that there are plenty of options available in front of you to work with. So let's click on the PDF Summarizer. Once I click on the PDF Summarizer, it is asking me to upload a PDF document of my choice. So let's click on one of the research papers that I have shortlisted for the demonstration. So allow it to upload this particular document. And once the document is completely uploaded, then this tool will start generating the text using generative AI. And as you can see, as soon as I have uploaded the document, it has started to give me the most crucial summary of the document, and followed by now. As you can see that it is in the process of generating more crucial and important data for you to have a look. And once I scroll down, now it is giving me the information regarding the introduction and the problem statement, and followed by the core contributions of this core algorithm, that is ESSTETR. And once I scroll down, then again more crucial information about the features being used, the technical details and the model architecture. And as you can see, as compared to this, for example, 19-page paper, the summary has been condensed and summarized into like 1 or 2 pages for me to have a look. And as a researcher, and all the researchers must be aware that this could be a very crucial information if I can have that at a glance. That is the experimental setup, what was the data set used, what was the split of the data set, how much training images were used for validation, for testing. This is very crucial. And again, the experimental setup results. And these are some of the crucial parameters for comparison of these techniques. So I can just have a glance and have a look at it. And then the more comparison. So again, once I have a look at these crucial summary features, There is an option given over here that is summarize. So if I can click on the drop down menu, then I have a couple of more options available to have a look. For example, it can also generate chapter based summary, core point summary, AI note. So what I would recommend my audience is just go to this particular website, that is notegpt.io, upload a research paper of your choice, and then play around with these options and see which option intrigues and attracts you the most. So once I have a look at this summary, there's an option given to me that is mind map. So again, as I stated earlier, mind map is the visual structure diagram that automatically is generated from the text or the videos that you have uploaded. So as you can see that it is in the process of generating the mind map, and I can easily just click it once to see it in a zoom in manner, and it will zoom in and give me a clear representation. And then besides the mind map option, I have AI chat. This is one of the most intriguing features that are available, and as you can see, it has given you some questions to work with. Some suggestive questions are there. For example, extract 5 key points. So let's click on that. And now the Note GPT will give you the extract of the most crucial 5 points that, according to this particular tool, could be very helpful for you being a researcher. And this is very good information. And again, you can ask any further questions, for example, related to data sets and the diagram and what was the most important discovery of the paper. And you can ask any question, it will give you a very precise answer. And not only that, based on your first question, it has also given you some follow-up questions to work with, and you can have a look at these questions, play around with these questions, tweak them a bit, and make them give you the answer of your own choice. And then once I click on the more button, then there are a couple of more options available, that is generate podcast, generate presentation, generate quiz, generate flashcards. And once I click on the generate quiz button, then it will take this tool some time to give you a quiz, because not only it will provide you ample MCQs, but it has to provide you answers of it. For example, I have generated an already made quiz from this particular paper. As you can see, the title matches with the one that I have uploaded. And as you can see that the quiz has been made from this paper using this tool. And due to the shortage of time, I have pre-generated this quiz to for you people to have a look. And as you can see very clearly that it has generated the questions, and it has given you the key as well, that is answer to this particular MCQ is C. It has also given you the AI analysis of these options as well, so that being a teacher, if you want to explain it to the class that why answer A or C was the right choice to make, then you can easily justify your answer as well. So let's close it down and let's get straight to the tool. And now going back to NoteGPT, and let's very quickly see how the PPT summarizer works. So again, once the PPT summarizer is clicked, then it is asking me to upload a PPT lecture of my choice. And then from here on onwards, it works pretty much in the same way as the PDF option was working. So just, I would again recommend to just go to this tool, upload a PDF or PPT of your own choice, and see the wonders of this tool and how efficiently and accurately it is providing you summary of whatever you have uploaded. And it really helps you to save time in the matter of hours, not minutes. Please go ahead and work with these tools and make your time much more countable and work in an efficient manner. And with this, thank you for your time, and I will see you soon with another video on my YouTube channel, that is Research AI Tool. Thank you for now. Take care.